Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Monday. It is March 2nd. We're getting out of winter, thank goodness. Here in Chicago, it's beautiful outside. Looking right now, it's sunny and about 42, 43 degrees. I'll take it. No snow. It's going to be 50s, 60s this week. I think we're going to have a little rain or something like that, but I'll take that over minus 22 wind chill. So, all good. This weekend, pretty low key. How about you? What did you do? I went and saw this very interesting movie last night that I've been reading about. And it's a whole other subculture with the LGBTQ+ community. Very dom sub kind of movie, leather-ish. I guess I was called. I'm probably not going to say the name right. Pillion, Pillion. Andrew Skarsgård's in it, and so is Harry Melling. And Harry Melling, if you've been seeing the trailers for this, and you think, God, why does that guy look familiar in it? It's because he played Dudley in the Harry Potter movies. Remember them? When Harry was living underneath the stairwell with the family, and the family was really mean to him. Well, Dudley was the obnoxious son who was very rude and awful. But yeah, that's the guy that's in this movie. I couldn't believe it. And from what I read up, the last two, I think it was the last one of the last two Harry Potter movies, Dudley, or Harry Melling, was losing a lot of weight, so they had to put a fat suit on him to keep up, how the appearance, how the character looks. So, a little trivia for you. But yeah, check out the movie. It was good. Just very interesting. I like the dialogue and the conversations with the parents, and it's a whole different world. That's all I'll say. So go in with an open mind when you go. But I thought the acting and everything was good. The story, it was so different, and it highlighted a community that we don't really see a whole lot about. So again, go in with an open mind. Fun movie. So yeah, did a little dinner at a former place I used to wait tables at back in the day, Rockwell's Neighborhood Grill, and that was pretty good. Did that last night and hung out with a best friend. And, working on some lecture stuff. I got an international podcast in Ireland on Wednesday. So I'm getting my hair cut tomorrow to look good. Although I don't know if it's just going to be, hearing just the vocals, or it'll be video. So I think it's video as well. So once I have all that, of course, I'll put it online and I'll give you the direction where to find that. So that's it. I'm going to go out, get my exercise in. Been a little busy this morning. And that's all. I hope you had a good week, good weekend, and you look forward to the first week of March. So subscribe, like, and share, of course. And I will see you on Thursday. All right? Take care of yourself. Bye.